Carrying a pocket full of keys is frustrating, especially when one smart solution can replace them all. The BOLT One Key Padlock is designed to work seamlessly with your vehicle's ignition key, eliminating the need for extra keys on your key ring. Built specifically for 2018 or newer Jeep center cut keys, this padlock combines serious security with unmatched convenience, making it an ideal choice for Jeep owners who value simplicity and reliability. At the heart of this lock is patented breakthrough one-key technology, allowing the padlock to open using your existing vehicle ignition key. Once set, the lock recognizes only your key, creating a personalized security solution that saves time and hassle. Whether you're securing a trailer, gate, storage shed, or gear, you'll always have the right key in hand because it's already in your pocket. The padlock is constructed with a 2-inch chrome-plated, 5/16" diameter hardened steel shackle designed to resist cutting and forced entry. A stainless steel lock shutter helps keep dirt and moisture out, making it suitable for outdoor use in tough environments. Inside, a plate tumbler sidebar helps prevent picking and bumping, while a double ball bearing locking mechanism adds another layer of protection. It has also achieved ASTM's top corrosion resistance rating, ensuring long-term durability. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this padlock is built to last. Many users praise the innovative design and the freedom of not having to manage additional keys. While locking may require a bit of technique at first, the payoff is long-term convenience and dependable security. If you want one key to handle it all, this padlock from BOLT Locks is a smart upgrade. Check the link in the video description to see current pricing and compatibility, and subscribe to the channel to discover more clever accessories that make owning your vehicle easier and more enjoyable.